I don't want to see my people suffering. Rayon, go to Apollo and ask him what to do to end this.
Bolo ka nga. Ano na yan?
We believe that you will save our kingdom because you saved it before. People in the heavens are suffering in this. What is happening? What shall we do? I had successfully told in the kingdom. The oracle told that once a pillar of the building king is found, my lord, Apollo told that once the pillar of the building king is found, that will be cured. But how can I find him? It was a long time ago.
Oh.
But
Lapit
I
na
don't
konti
find
siya
someone
makita.
to rest.
Zoom mo na lang.
Precious, the blind prophet. I want to save our people from the plague. What will they do? Tell me before I will kill you.
You! Yourself a cheater. You see your father died and you married a sinful junior. Now you go. Do you think you will be forgiven now?
How dare you say that word to a king? You will pay about what you said.
I told you that.
Kanino?
No, Your Highness. Our king is only defensive of our kingdom. Until now, he is. We don't know what it is. It's still a mystery that he wanted to try to solve. And then, how did it escape?
Rayon, my trusted friend. I think you can rule the kingdom. I want to give it to you.
But my Highness, we all know and respect that you are the only king that can handle yourself because you are suffering now. We believe in your strength and your power of being a king. If you give back, we don't believe you can do something. The faithful soldiers are so disappointed in the king.
Silipin kaya kita. Ay. Kai. Kai.
I know it's very hard for you to solve your kingdom.
I want to give up. I want to give this kingdom to your brother.
What? But he is your kingdom. My dear, you should be open-minded. Open your mind. There is another way. Don't face in the old. I believe in you. You can do it. In that night, everything was so peaceful. Oedipus is taking his kingdom subject. He is the only one what to know to cure it. But he is not sure if it is worth it.
I have been killed a man with zero defense. But he's Nayus. But he's not my father. I'm so confused. What should I do?
Yun nga yun. Pinapakita pa lang kung ano yung naging simula ni Oedipus.
Your Highness, your baby will become a prince. But there is something wrong. He will kill you Pedro Castro will be his wife too.
What? Are you saying your prediction? I want the truth.
Your Highness, if you want the truth, you need to kill your son before he will kill you.
Are you, no?
I don't want to kill my son. My beloved son.
Yung bakit?
Sa kanya papaalaga.
I have to do this. For the sake of our kids. But also instead of be killed. But give me what I am going to do.
You leave the baby in a basket in the
Ricard.
What about the people who leave a baby inside? Did they know it was dangerous to eat? I will give it to our king and queen.
Nabalik ka
Then he goes to the kingdom.
My Highness, it was a blessed day for us. We have a new queen.
Oh, lovely to have this child. I will name him Oliver, and I will make him love you.
Someday you will be the king of this kingdom.
Mandana siya ulit. Mandana.
Who are you? I am the Prince of Corinth, and I will be the king of this. Cannot have vicious to talk that thing.
Tagalog eh.
What you say that? Did you mean that you don't believe my ability to become a king? It came from you, not to me. I think you're so weak to become a king. How dare you?
Oh, laban na to. Oh. Ah!
You're so weak.
It's so weak.
What happened, Handa? Who's that?
Who's that?
It's my husband. Husband, what have you done? The robbers are releasing to me.
Nox crying.
Why they do this to you? Why they kill you?
Naiyak ako. Ano ba?
Dumi ko, dumi ko.
What's that? Is that a good news or a bad news? Unfortunately, your father was already dead. What? What?
And then, the rest of the week, that morning, she goes to Oliver's kingdom to tell the good story.
What are you doing here? I know all the truth, but all your prediction was wrong.
Ay, kulang na lang ba siya ng bro?
Tell you all the truth about your child.
I don't believe you. I don't want to listen to you. My father was dead. And
It's
today,
not your real
I would die.
It's not your real father. If you want to know all the truth, search for a witness.
I don't
Only
believe you.
one that is identified. The one between your father died and you.
I don't want to listen to you. Please, please.
Ah, ang hirap.
And then,
Tulungan kita.
think the oracle was right. I think I am the reason why the people are suffering today. I think I am the one who killed lies in the three roads met.
And then, you ask me, King, why are you sad?
Okay na.
I am the reason
Okay na.
why people are
Okay na.
suffering today.
Malalaman po ba nila?
I think I should leave her kingdom. I think I should leave for the sake of our people.
What?
I will tell you the truth about myself. When I was young, the oracle predicted me that I will kill my father and marry my mother. I will be sinful, and Zeus will punish me. When I know all the truth, the king and queen of Corinth was not my true parents. I leave her palace, travel, and came here to heaven, and learned to love you. Even though my father was dead, I was still confused because he's not my true father. And I think the one that I killed in the three roads met, Layu, I think he's my father.
But Darius is my husband. He died because robbers killed him in a three-road man. I think we should have a witness to prove it.
I want you to find the first man. The oracle said he's the only one who survived in the battle. And I think he will tell me the truth about the son of life. Imagine my life. Anya, we are here with the herdsman. Herdsman, I want you to tell me the truth about the son of life. Let us now. Soldier, stop. Herdsman, please, tell us.
Sarah.
Tulungan kita.
Sige, Bitawan ko lang, gagato.
The messenger of the Lord. I live here by the oracle called to us that you will kill his mother and marry his own mother. King! She is King Lightning. She was our queen. After the battle in Europe said, life was dead.
What does it mean? Do you mean that I am his mother and Darius is his father?
Then I am the reason why my people is